Last week Friday we have closed at 74.47 kind of a numbers, which is near to the weekly low of last week. So if you look at the weekly data on July futures, so this is how the candle looks like. So let's talk about support and resistances on an hourly basis. So the immediate support would lie at, if we see, the immediate support would be lying at around 74.39 kind of a numbers, and then next support would lie at 74.33 kind of a number. So you guys can plan your trade accordingly. Those who are going long at the current level for the target of 74.57, 74.69. Immediate resistance would be at this level. I would suggest, see, so this gap is yet to be filled, so I don't see any resistance immediately in between 1670 kind of a numbers. But this is something, this line where I'll be drawing, this is something we can see. 74.77 can act as immediate resistances, because on early time frame we can see a lot of time this rate have got tested, and dollar has either gone up or come down from that level. So that would be the immediate resistance, 74.77. And those who want to sell options and want to need a range, you can see a double bottom can be clearly seen over here. So one can safely assume 75.10 can be our resistance too at this juncture. So immediately if we look at the numbers, this is the position at this moment on hourly candlesticks. Let's move to options data. If we see 74.50 call and put, there is a lot of open interest, and the next open interest would lie at 74.25 kind of a numbers on the lower side. On the higher side, the open interest is more at 75, and still there is a lot of open interest at 76 kind of a numbers, which is an interesting things to watch. If you have not joined my channel yet, you can definitely join USDNL Classy Trader on YouTube. If we look at spot data, 74.42 kind of a numbers have got saved tremendously from last so many days. Talking about DXY from last 1 week's time almost, it is hovering around 70 to 92.80 to 93 kind of a number. So there was a breakout we have seen, but we couldn't sustain for a longer period of time above 93. So constant close or constant fresh high would indicate we are going upwards with the dollar strengthening. If we see, we had fallen sharply overnight, which we couldn't see the sharp fall we couldn't see in the dollar that point of time. Even though we had seen 92.50 on the cards and on the charts, there was a quick rise back to up to 92.80 kind of a numbers overnight. Let's look at SGX Nifty. So Nifty was spot was at 15,856, and now currently SGX Nifties are trading around 15,837, slightly down from that number. One more factor we can see is equity market doing good, Nifty going up is helping dollar to appreciate, USD to appreciate. So those who have come watch till here, I'll be adding new point, that is a bonus point to discuss about the market. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the patient to the impatient. So if you have seen recently in such kind of a choppy moves, only those people have made money, those who waited for their target patiently and had calculated their risk reward properly. So this is something we should think more about. If you are impatient, then other party has a more edge to gain from your losses. So try to be more patient, try to be more focused on your work, and trade nicely. Thank you so much guys for watching the video and for your time.